Here I have LARK Evolution X2 and let me show you how to enter the boot mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as boot mode pops up in front of you. As you can see here, you can navigate by using the volume up. You can choose here recovery, fast boot or normal. You can confirm options by pressing volume down, so if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the third option and press volume down to confirm it. The device is booting into a normal mode, let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, the device is in normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.